When you're weaning horses, it's really important that you have very safe facilities to do that. A safe pasture turnout area, a very safe stall area. And there's a couple different ways you can go about weaning horses. We're lucky here at Michigan State. We have a large group of horses we're weaning each year, usually about 15 to 20 foals. And so what we do is we keep all the mares and foals out in a pasture together, and then whichever foals are the oldest, we gradually start taking away a few mares at a time, and we put them on the opposite side of the farm. So the foals still have all their buddy foals, and they also have mares that kind of keep the hierarchy going in its normal way. So you see very little stress on the foals themselves. The mares still have some stress, but they're at a better age to be able to handle that. Now if you're in a situation where you have to wean a single foal, that's where the safety factors become extra important, because a single foal weaned from its mother usually will be extremely upset. They may try to break through a fence, they may try to scramble the walls of a stall. So again, it's just very important to consider safety. If you have the luxury of maybe having two foals, sometimes we have done stall weaning with a pair of foals. So we'll put the pair of foals together in a stall, and then we'll put that pair of foals in turnout areas, and that seems to reduce some of the stress from being separated from their dam. The only thing I would say is then when you have to separate those foals from each other, that can be a little bit dramatic. Now we normally wean our foals somewhere right around 5, maybe 6 months. When you're weaning those foals, you want to also consider separating the fillies from the colts. It is not impossible for a late weanling to possibly get pregnant. Usually wouldn't happen, but you're going to at least be seeing some behaviors from the stud colts where they're going to be trying some mating behaviors, and that can cause injuries to your fillies. So you really want to try hard to separate your fillies from your stud colts.